This clarity is not optional. It is the difference between a subscriber and a bounce. These two spaces are exploding with interest, and audiences are actively searching for creators who can break down complex topics into content that actually makes sense. But before you ever press record, there is foundational work that separates channels that grow from channels that stall within the first 3 months. The very first thing you need to lock in is your niche positioning. Artificial intelligence and finance are both broad categories, so you need to carve out a specific lane. Are you covering artificial intelligence tools for everyday productivity? Are you breaking down stock market strategies using data and technology? Are you reviewing financial technology platforms? The more specific your positioning, the faster your channel builds a loyal audience. Think of it this way. A channel called Tech Money Tips is forgettable, but a channel focused entirely on using artificial intelligence tools to build passive income streams is magnetic. Once your niche is defined, spend serious time studying the top 10 to 20 channels already operating in that space. Film in batches when possible, recording 3 to 4 videos in a single session to maintain consistency without burning out. They are not looking for fluff. They want value delivered efficiently. Every video you create should answer one clear question or solve one specific problem. The best performing formats in these niches include tutorials, tool comparisons, case studies, explainer videos, and reaction or analysis videos covering news in the artificial intelligence or financial world. When scripting your videos, lead with the most compelling information first. Do not spend the first 60 seconds explaining what you are about to say. Just say it. Your hook, meaning the first 15 to 30 seconds of your video, is the most critical real estate you have. If viewers do not feel immediately engaged, they leave, and YouTube's algorithm notices that. Structure your scripts with a clear problem, a solution or insight, and a practical takeaway. Keep your intros under 30 seconds, your outros under 20 seconds, and always include a clear call to action, whether that is subscribing, watching another video, or downloading a free resource you have created. In the artificial intelligence and finance space, your editing style should match your audience's pace, sharp, clean, and purposeful. Start by cutting all dead air, filler words, and repeated takes. Every second of your video should be earning its place. Use jump cuts to maintain energy, but do not overdo them to the point where the video feels choppy. Add text overlays to reinforce key points, especially when discussing numbers, statistics, or technical concepts. When you mention a specific artificial intelligence tool or financial metric, show it on screen. Screen recordings, charts, and live demonstrations dramatically increase watch time because they give viewers something concrete to follow. Use royalty-free background music at a low volume to add energy without distracting from your narration. Tags still matter, so include a mix of broad and specific keyword tags related to your topic. The algorithm rewards channels that post regularly, and more importantly, audiences build habits around creators who show up on schedule. For a new channel in the artificial intelligence or finance niche, aim to post at least once per week. Twice per week is better if you can maintain quality. Do not sacrifice quality for quantity. One excellent video per week will outperform 3 mediocre ones every time. Use YouTube Studio's scheduling feature to upload videos in advance and set them to publish at optimal times. Research suggests that publishing between 2 and 5 in the afternoon on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday tends to perform well for informational content, though you should test this against your own audience analytics once you have enough data. Your video titles are critically important. They should be specific, curiosity-driven, and include your primary keyword naturally. A title like 5 artificial intelligence tools that replace my entire workflow in 30 days is far more compelling than artificial intelligence tools review. The creators who win are simply the ones who do not quit. It happens through deliberate strategy applied consistently over time. Thumbnail design is one of the highest leverage activities you can invest time in. Your thumbnail and title work together as a unit, and they are the primary reason someone clicks or scrolls past. Use bold text, high contrast colors, and a clear focal point in every thumbnail. Faces with expressive emotions tend to perform well, but data-driven or visual thumbnails also work effectively in these niches. Beyond thumbnails, community building accelerates growth significantly. Respond to every comment in your first 6 months. Ask questions at the end of your videos to encourage discussion.